Hello dear, welcome here to all of you, and in this video is going to be very funny. I will tell some funny conversation in this video. Do you want to listen or not? Definitely you want to listen. Are you interested? Yes, tell me in the comment section. Are you interested in for funny conversation or not? I think that you will be interested. Definitely, many people are interested because if there will not be any fun in our life, then we will be serious every time. So it is not right. I am not serious in this video. Yes, I am very funny. Yes, my dear, I am also funny, but I don't. Uh, do fun with all of you, but in this video I am going to do a little fun with all of you. Now let's get started and stay connected with me. Don't skip this video because in this video you all will learn English speaking also. Yes, here I will not only do fun, or I will not tell any some funny conversation. I will talk in English and you will find that how am I talking in English. Then you will take an idea. You can take an idea from my video that how am I talking in English. So let's get started. First of all, I want to ask about your drawing. Yes, my dear, how is your drawing? Your drawing is nice or not? Tell me, I want to know how is your drawing because my drawing is a little good. I'm saying a little good. I'm not saying my drawing is so perfect, but I'm asking to all of you. You all will have to tell me in the comment section how is your drawing. Art, your drawing, your art. You can say art or drawing. Both the words are related to drawing. Tell me, I want to know. I'm very excited for your comment, and if you will tell, then it will be very nice for me because I will get your opinion about drawing. And do you like drawing? I like drawing. I like doing drawing, but sometimes I say to myself that it is a waste of time. Sometimes I think it is waste of time, but why I think it is waste of time, I don't know. I don't know. Why am I saying, I don't know. I'm not saying I don't know. I'm saying I don't know. I don't know. It is very funny. So you can also say like in this way, you don't know. You don't know. I don't know. So no, don't say I don't know. Say I don't know. I don't know. This is very interesting way, and I think that you are learning English with me. So this was very funny, I think. Yes, my dear. And sometime I speak in my video. It's better. I don't speak better. Good, better, better, best. So I don't speak better. I speak better. I speak better. So you also can speak better. Yes, my dear. In American accent, we speak it better. So it sounds good, very nice. Yeah, I think that you all will like it better. It's not better. It is better. It is looking very, not looking, but it sounds very nice. That's why I I speak better, and you also like it. That's why many people like my speaking, but I don't know. Uh, but I know why are they liking, because my many efforts has been put it in this speaking. I made my speaking like this by many efforts. That's why now my work is paying off me. So it is very nice, and it is interesting video for all of you and for me also. So my dear friends, how was this video? Tell me in the comment section. And I'm always wait for your comment, but no one no one tell me their opinion. No one tell me her and or his opinion. So I was very worried about it. That's it, my dear. If this video was a little funny, then please hit and leave one comment in the comment section. That's it. Bye bye.